Welcome everyone to Kadabe Time, and for today we got a dining table with chair and a center table slash coffee table in the finishing. Are you excited to see what our team is doing for today? I know you can see from the background that my brother is always working on something, but now he is painting. Let's go inside the shop and check what's happening. So this is a center table slash coffee table that we are making, and for now this is just the finishing process. We are painting it, actually staining it. This is the first coat, and then we wait for it to dry for some time. And here the dining table, very big dining table that definitely will be a perfect fit in your dining area. And as you could see, we already finished one coat. This is the second coat. After that we will also be giving it a nice final touch, which it will look like really cool. And in there, in that section, well, don't mind the goat. She's just I think excited. Anyway, so here Makita is finishing another chair. This chair is very good design that we have here at Kadabe Time Limited Wood Workshop, and this one already for it has been sanded. As I said, we do proper sanding for everything that we do here. So right here, this one also has the first coat, and we are waiting to do another coat and then the final coat. And Paul is also working on another dining chair, and it's almost there. So everything you see here will look perfect, right? And we are not only limited to doing furniture. We can also supply buildings like this construction right there. We do have wood for construction, but that's another story. For today we are just focusing on a dining table set with 6 chairs and center table. If you are requiring furniture for your home or your business, please do not hesitate to contact us at 0798 972 902, or simply Google us and reach us at Kadabe Time Wood Workshop here in Narama, Kanzenze sector, Bugesera, the eastern province of Rwanda.
Okay, let's go.
If you just moved to Rwanda in the area of Kigali, Kicukiro, the eastern province, Bugesera, please do not hesitate to contact us to make your home look great and fill it with furniture. Everything that you're requiring, we are ready to deliver. We are ready to provide high and excellent services for your home, for your business.